So, born as a South Indian and married to a South Indian, idlis and dosas are like the go-to breakfast that I have every day in the morning with a cup of coffee. So I keep around 5 to 6 lemons in the office fridge, and I use one daily. If you don't have pantry at your workplace, I think you can get daily one at work and try to make this. It is very good if you want to try to lose weight and also get some vitamin C. So this is what I do. I take one lemon. I kind of do this because it's really easy to get the juice out. Cup is always very sour because it's very concentrated with one whole lemon in it. You can add honey, but I drink it this way. I also drink the plain water just in case I don't want to drink this, so I kind of alternate between that and this. I mostly drink about 3 cups of this, like 3 cups of hot water, warm water with lime water in it. So this also helps in digestion and for skin. So right before my lunch, I have my dietary supplements which I take for my bones, skin, hair and nails. So if you follow me on Instagram, I have already posted an article on this. You can go and check that out as well. It's really amazing. So for lunch, I bought my all-time favorite pasta cooked with veggies, salt, pepper, oregano. Pretty much that's it, and it's super tasty. I really love it. Lately, I have made a habit of eating at least one fruit a day, and today I got in some papaya along with me to work. So I leave work around 7:15, and it takes me about 1.5 hours to reach home. So before that, I munch on some snacks, and this one is basically a snack made up of jackfruit, and I absolutely love it. And now I am out of here. I am leaving for the day, and before that I'm gonna grab some chocolates to keep me company. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. For now, bye.